going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have updates, many updates. So let me show you. So the car's pretty well almost done. Side skirt, front bumper's on, side skirt's on, rear bumper, and the interior. It's really dark, I'm sorry. It's pretty much all in. So the reason why there hasn't been a lot of videos on the car and the process of how it's gotten this far, I have a whole bunch of part videos. Part of me putting the interior in, parts of putting the body kit on. I have parts of videos put together, and the reason being is because it's getting warm out. So I live in a townhouse complex, and the children are just up and down the roadway screaming, yelling, playing. I can't really record in that. I don't want to hear children screaming and yelling in the background of my videos, and I don't think you guys do either. So I haven't been able to record that, and I've been working late into the night, 10:30, 11 o'clock. By then it's dark out. That light, horrible. By then it's dark out and you're not gonna be able to see anything. I don't have tripod lights, I don't have nothing. I'm basically working with, where is it? I don't know. I basically have a headlamp, and that's what I'm working with. Oh, it's right here. So this is essentially what I work with. So you guys aren't gonna get good views, you're not gonna get good anything seeing what I'm trying to do on the car. So that's why there hasn't been a lot of videos. I'll probably mismash up a bunch of clips of me putting certain things on and doing certain things to the car, and I'll throw that up as like a little compilation. So it's a kind of like mishy-mashy up video. I think another reason why I haven't really finished off any of my part videos is because I'm not satisfied with the way my recordings are going. I'm not, when I start like recording and doing work on the car, I don't have like a fixed, this is what I'm doing today. It's like I'm just jumping all over the place. I'm very unorganized, all over, doing little jobs, doing this job, that job, everything all together at the same time. It doesn't make for a very good video. So I've kind of been like hesitant to continue recording, plus the children outside all making noise and stuff makes it really difficult. But a lot of it's on me. I'm trying to make good quality content, and it's hard because I don't make a plan before I start going and working on the car. I just come out here and, okay, I'm gonna, put this trim panel on, but then I'm gonna put the interior together, and then I'm gonna put the front bumper on, and it's like, I jump all over the place. I'm kind of scatterbrained when it comes to working on the car, but I'm trying. I'm gonna make better content, more stuff. I don't even know. I'm just gonna try and do better. I did just throw a little coat of primer on the sunroof panel because it was basically half bare metal and half still painted. So plans with the car going forward and plans for videos. I do plan on doing more videos on the car. Like, I still have things I need to do. I need to put the seats in, which I'm gonna, record, do a video on. I have to put the coilovers in, which I'll do a video and stuff on. Me setting them up, me installing them in the car. And what else is there? Oh yes, I might be getting new wheels for it. So currently my wheel setup are just these black 17x7, black wheels. I also have a set of these 18x7.5-inch bronze wheels, but one of them has a couple cracks in the back that need to be repaired, and this one's got a good couple chips in the front. So we did just get a new set of wheels at work that I really liked, and they were an 18 by 9.5. They did not fit very well in the front. I'll leave a little picture so you can see just how far out they stuck in the front, but they fit really nice in the rear. Well, this guy doesn't have the color combination that I want in an 18 by 8.5, but he does have the same wheel, different color in an 18 by 8.5, which I think would fit amazingly. So he's going to send me one. I'm going to test fit it and we'll go from there. I'll shoot a little video on that so you guys can see the potential wheel that I might be running on this car. So aside from the wheels, coilovers, and what was the other thing? Seats. I have the wing I still have to install, but then, you know, there's stuff we're gonna do with the car this summer. I want to take it to the track. I want to do at least one open lapping track day, and there's some shows that I want to go to. I didn't make the Across the Border show, which kind of upset me. I really wanted to make that show. That's what was my goal, to have the car done. It was not done. So there is a couple more shows coming up that I will try and be to. It's going to be difficult because the car isn't really up to my standards. It needs bodywork still. It needs. Let me show you guys this body kit and how it fit. So let's start up here with the front bumper. That is a massive gap between the hood and the bumper. There was literally nothing I could do about that. It fit horribly. It fits poorly here. And see, this is where it's gonna get difficult. It fit very poorly here. Sorry for the shadows. Try and get my light. Fit poorly there. I had to cut some off of here just to get it to fit. I ended up breaking the corner and stuff like that. So there's that side. You can see it doesn't match the body lines at all. Same with this side, which is very poor. There's a big gap right there. That doesn't fit tight. There's a lot more space here, and then that's all broken. And yeah, side skirts actually fit pretty well. There's a bit of a gap there, but I'm not too concerned. I had to cut a bunch off this corner because it didn't fit. But other than that, you know, it fit good here, fit good back there. It would fit all right. Now that is horrendous. It doesn't even make it around the corner. It doesn't bend with the quarter panel. You know, I got a bit of a gap there. It's nice there. All around here is good. That's okay. And then again on this side, it doesn't make it around the bend. It doesn't bend here, and it just doesn't overlap it enough. This side skirt fit really well too. As you can see, it fit a lot better, and up here it fits a lot nicer. I did have to trim a little bit off the corner, but other than that, it fit really well. Oh, and down there, it just doesn't turn in enough. So those are some of the reasons why, like, me putting it in a car show are kind of, you know, like, I'm a little weary to do it. I'm gonna do it anyways because, you know, I wanna take it to shows. That's what I built the car for. But yeah, so there's that. So, oh, I missed one. My turn signals don't fit. They literally do not fit in the opening at all. So I don't have a clue how I'm gonna secure them. I might just leave them there, put the covers on, and just let it be. So with that, I'm gonna leave the video here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment, hit the notification bell so you stay up to date when I post new videos, because I do have more videos coming and I wanna do other stuff, and I wanna start working on other cars. I don't wanna just work on this car, although this is my main car, but I'd like to get something else maybe to work on too, or, you know, showcase friends builds or whatever. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it's a lot sooner than later, because I know the time frame between these last two has been kind of long, but I will get it there. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.